Morning guys, welcome to the UK-PINAY channel. Here we are, still going strong after 2 years, God knows how, because we're shit. Anyway, it's stupid o'clock in the morning at the moment, Friday the 5th of December 2025. I'm sat in my dressing gown in the office, wondering what the hell I'm doing. 20 past 3 in the morning, guys, and we've got a plane to catch. I've got a very, very happy little Pinay in the house at the moment. Ascension, Mrs. C. She's going home, and it's the first time she's been home to see Nanai and the family in over 12 years. It'll be 13 years in February, actually. So,
You're thinking I don't have a passport, so that's why they can't able to
hang on
go
a
home.
minute. Morning, Mrs. C. What's going on?
It's okay, my gear.
Yeah, very nice, babe. What are you doing?
Nothing, talk to mom.
Talking to Mum. Is that Nanai on there?
Yeah.
Morning, Nanai.
Hi.
This is Mum. we're coming. Nanai. Very happy mummy as well. Guarantee she's going to cry when Ascension comes back. She's going to cry even more when she sees what she's married. Right, better get some gear on, guys. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, guys. 5 to 4. It's all good. Got me man bag. She bought me a man bag. Believe it. Ready, babe?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Bye-bye, house. Yeah, see you in a month. Ascension's vlogging pack. Nice yellow backpack, look. It's all full of the cameras.
With my pillow.
And there's my bag. Here's my bogging backpack. A drone and everything in it. So that's coming with me. What do I need? Let's have a look. Car keys. Oh my god, it's so dark. Quite a chilly morning, a little bit frosty. Just a little bit. Oh. There we go, the good old Range Rover. The trusty Range Rover. We dropped the back seats yesterday so we could get all the bags and everything. There's so much room in here, it's unreal. Chuck your stuff in there, babe. Oh. A big old backpack. So much drone gear. Hey, like the new YouTube stickers as well. We've got loads of them. They'll be all over the Philippines this time next month. So many. Right, everything's loaded up, guys. Sat nav set. House is locked. Have we got everything, babe?
Yeah.
Are you sure we've got everything?
I got everything, even my husband.
Okay. You forgot the kitchen sink. Honestly, guys, she's packed everything. We've got 23 kilos times 4. I've pretty much got half a suitcase out of those 4 suitcases, and they are weighed to the 0.1 of a kilo. Essentials rammed everything into them. Absolutely typical woman style. Well, first things first, roll a fag.
Oh God, both of us smell smoke when he's there and shit.
Pretty hate fresh air this time of the morning. Right, we're out of here. Let's go on the show on the road.
2 hours later.
And we've just entered that place that's famous for its pottery within the UK. You know, all those pottery teapots and cups and saucers. A place called Stoke-on-Trent.
Shithouse, what you
Shithouse on Trent. Yeah, it's a shithouse. But it's Stoke-on-Trent It's famous for pottery, and it's famous for Robbie Williams. That's about the only thing that came, well, the only good thing that came out of Stoke-on-Trent, Robbie Williams, and this road. Literally, this is the best thing that ever came out of Stoke-on-Trent, and this is going to take us onto the M6. But Ascension wants a PP break, so we're going to get on the M6.
You
and
know
then,
that I always go to toilet.
yeah, she does. She's got a habit of leaking. So we'll get on the M6 and find some services, guys. I'll be glad to get out of this shit out. There we go, M6. Coming off at Kiel Services. What do you got this time in the morning, guys? Just truck after truck after truck. Pull off here. Let Ascension go to the toilet. Just love driving this time in the morning, eh? Truck after truck. Cars only. Why does it say cars only when there's like been loads of trucks in it? There we go. Kiel Services. You gonna go squeeze a lemon, babe?
It's there inside.
Yeah, it's there inside. See what that guy is?
You're not coming.
No, it's just the way I'm sat. Well, according to SatNav, we'll get there about 1:30. Hang on. 5:30. And we're booked in for 6 o'clock. So no problem with time, no problem whatsoever. Be honest, while the missus is not around, I'm pretty nervous. Not for the flying or anything like that, it's just it's the first time I meet all her family. And I know how important the family is to Ascension, and how much she really misses the Philippines. I mean, she's been here for 25 years. That's a long time. She was one of the official first Filipino nurses to come to the UK in the 80s. And, no, not the 80s. I can't remember. Anyway, she's been here 25 years. She's been a British citizen for 25 years. So, when we go back this time, she's actually got to apply for dual citizenship and get a Philippine passport back. She's got a UK one, she has that for 25 years. Yeah, I'm just nervous. I think Mum, she's more worried than I am. She's panicking a little bit because I'm coming, and she thinks that I'm not going to be happy there, that I'm going to look down on everybody, that, you know, because people haven't got all that much money and they're not a first world country. Well, you know, that's not the case. It's not the case at all. Guys, I'd sleep on the floor if I had to, you know, and I'll eat what the guys eat, and I just want to be accepted as part of the family. I'm not there to judge anybody. I've got an open mind, and I'm just very happy that Nane and the family are accepting me, for who I am. That's what's important to me, guys. So yeah, a little bit nervous. It's going to be a bit of a test for me, because obviously we bought land, as you'll see later on in the videos. Over the next few weeks we'll show you the land, and we're going to build a house. So we're going to end up living there. It's going to be a little bit different at Laoag, because it's more of a developed city with an airport, and, you know, it's as opposed to where Mum lives, which is the Barangay village in Isabela. It's more rice farming and more agricultural. But no, I'm sort of looking forward to it, but yeah, I'm a bit nervous. I think the things I'm going to miss is my Range Rover for a start, because this would be perfect over there with a 4-wheel drive. But I'm going to have to hire cars or borrow a car, or I don't know, get on a tricycle or jeepney to go places. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, that's me rattling on. Ascension will be back in a minute, and we'll just carry on, and we'll get to this airport at Manchester, and we'll park the car and get the bags on the bus and dump the bags, and I think Ascension will take over from there. So I'll catch you in a bit, guys.
Much later.
Meet and greet. Really friendly staff here, really looking after us. Top man. Right. Some very heavy suitcases. We've got a Range Rover full of it, guys. Then we're going to drop the keys off somewhere over there. Here we are, we're on the bus. On the way, babe. On his way to Turbo 2. Yeah, dump the car. Staff here are really, really nice. Really looked after us. So, we're on the bus at the minute. Suitcases all up on the stack. And we're ready to go to Terminal 2. Better get my cigarettes in, because once we get in the airport I can't smoke, and I'm going to be a very unhappy chappie. See you in a bit. Right, that's us arrived. Say goodbye to this really, really friendly driver. What's your name, brother?
Mark.
Mark, you're on YouTube, mate.
Oh, sorted. the only one-armed driver that I know of in Greater Manchester.
Good man. And you do the work of 3. Thanks, brother.
Now, have a good trip.
Right, that's us. I'm going to hand you over to Ascension in a bit. We're at Terminal 2. And my job, driving here, it's all done. Thanks, Mark. Lovely fella. Absolutely harmless. Harmless fella.
Hi guys, nandito na kami. Ayan. Sa airport na kami. Pero si Steve, look at him. Smoking. Smoking siya. Ayan. Oh my God, 20 the battery. Door 3 arrival. Who's arrival this one? Steve still smoking.
Where are we going, babe? Where are we going?
Out of the country.
Yeah, we're going to get rid of this shithole for a month. We're going to the Philippines.
Must be smoking first, then we go inside, because this is quite awkward to hold the camera when it's got a suitcase.
We'll get rid of the suitcases soon, we'll check them in.
See you in a bit, guys.
Well, that was a bit of a nightmare. Got the baggage tags on. Got outsmarted by a bloody machine. But anyway, I've got all the baggage here. 1 Pinay and 4 suitcases. We're sorted. Now we need to go and get these checked in somewhere.
Drop.
Over there. Mrs. is getting stressed already.
No one is stressing me out, please.
Oh, so it's all my fault. All you got to do is sit in the car and I drive here.
Still see a last cigarette, tobacco I mean.
Yeah, I just put my tobacco tin in my rucksack, my camera bag. Already my fag went out. Right,
Be grumpy later.
I won't be getting a cigarette for, quite a long time. That's not good for me. Probably doing me some good actually.
Smoking area in the airport.
Yeah, like the handbag.
Man handbag. Yeah. smoking area. And when we go to
Ascension box. She dropped her camera bag.
at least it's flooded.
That's what I got you with.
It's not gonna be
YouTube equipment.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
walking to security now. And I need to go to the toilet as well at the same time. Ayan. Mr. C is top up the nicotine before we went to.
It's going to be a long flight.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Never mind.
Ayan. It's a long way walk. Not too bad. Not like Heathrow. Ayan. Tat na tayo. It's not allowed here.
Doesn't matter which.
Truck security, guys.
Hey, we did.
We did.
Me and my army boots straight through. Ascension's army boots stopped, searched, boots through the packet detector.
My bag's gone to security twice.
My big bag, 3 cameras in it and a drone, straight through.
Oh, goodness.
Good, isn't it?
You're good, isn't it? See, they never weighted my bag.
Not yet.
Yeah.
When we weighed the other bags in, was essentially got some Amazon cheap hook on and weigh sort of thing.
I told you it's a good one, that one.
Yeah, but I didn't believe you. And then it turned out, guys, it said 23.1 on a couple of the bags on her Amazon cheap thing. We got it on the scales at the airport. Guess what?
23.1.
23.1.
Bang on.
Bang on. So there we are.
There we are.
That's security passed. Now it's time for a nice cup of coffee, because I doubt if they serve beer this time in the morning.
And I need my sickness tablet to take
I need
it.
a cigarette, but I can't have one for 20 hours. So I'm chewing tea bags.
See you in a bit, guys.
No, I said it. I will. I mean,
20 past 8, guys.
Work out firstly,
Guess what?
first of all, what it is.
Flag time.
But in London, you Heathrow can smoke in there.
No, you can't do that in London. Heathrow, Gatwick. You don't seem to have smoking areas. But yeah,
EasyJet flight EZY.
with it being a nice northern airport, we're a bit more civilised.
Final
So let's go and find this smoking area.
To go immediately to gate A9.
Smoking area. Very civilised. Definitely won't get this in London, guys. This is what being a taxpayer in the UK is all about these days. You spend the most money on tax for this government, and this is how they treat you. It's like a prisoner war camp, guys, I tell you. The amount of money you spend on tax, this is how you treat. Wonderful. What's that, bud? Oh, well, that's it. Look. Hang on, flip this round. Look at that. Like the lady said, if it's raining, you've had it. And if there's low-flying pigeons, it's even worse, isn't it? Oh well, civilised. Right, that's me out of here for now.
Much later.
cleared security again, guys. Guess which one of us got pulled up again? Yeah, it weren't me. They must think Ascension looks dodgy because they keep checking little yellow bags. I've got a really big bag full of gadgets and everything, but so is Ascension. What you reckon, boy? They're picking on you. She's giving me a blank now. Doesn't want to talk to me. Doesn't want to talk to me at all. So I'll leave the vlog at this because I think she's getting tired and moody.
So we look the board things.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
Sabihin kung paano